Hello. Okay.
Hello, ready?
Yeah. Separate agent no? I deal with it.
Can now? Separate क्या हमारे?
एजेंट ना दूसरे एजेंट नहीं सकते इधर जो है
मैं तो कंटिन्यू करता हूँ.
चल
बेटा ये हमारे. What a bite. Regarding this program.
So today we launched, we had the flag off of the cars, about 8 Boleros and 9 EV vehicles. And this was a long pending issue because as you know the revenue department didn't have vehicles of their own and we used to hire vehicles. So this I moved this file once I took over, and I would like to thank Collector and Secretary Revenue also for following up on the file, and also CM for his support. Because it's quite a number of vehicles that we bought, and I think it's the first time that Revenue Department has bought so many vehicles. We just had a flag off with the South Goa team also, about 13 vehicles. And the same here, only thing here we have more EV vehicles, and I think in the future we will be concentrating more on electric vehicles. As you know, it's better for the environment also. And also with this, I think the issues of the revenue department would come to an end, as to wherein the officers will have vehicles to go and go about and carry on their duties. So I think now everything should be smooth sailing from here on.
What is the cost and who will take care as far as the maintenance of this vehicle is concerned?
As far as the maintenance of the EV vehicles, will be taken care of.
Yeah, we will be taking care of. At the same time, it's a very low maintenance vehicle because engine kind of thing is not there. Only battery, motor is there.
And what is the cost of this vehicle? How much amount has been spent?
I don't recollect exactly, but I think in the tune of around 13 to 14 lakhs. I think.
And the Boleros, the department will bear the cost, but then it's the same thing. So I think it's a good move.
Thank you.
So I want to talk something about the vehicle.
Yeah, it is a pre-maintenance vehicle because engine kind of thing is not over there. Suspension is there, battery is there, and motor is there. And we have the warranty of the battery and motor for 8 years. So 8 years is a major component of the vehicle which is covered under warranty. So maintenance is very low in this vehicle. There is no fuel. Cost of running is also negligible, you can see. So it's a win-win situation. Once you have to invest the money, but at the same time, every day you are saving a lot of money in terms of fuel, in terms of maintenance. So I think it is going to be given, and it's a pollution free. It's not having any pollution at all. And running is very smooth. There's no sound in the vehicle, nothing. Sound pollution is not there. At the same time, air pollution is also not there.
Okay, charging station का.
See, at present, a lot of charging stations are there, but it can be charged even at home. Fast charging stations take 45 minutes to charge full complete battery. But at home, if you are charging, it will take 7 to 8 hours. Suppose you reach in the evening at home, just plug in. Tomorrow morning it will be ready. Again you can run.
कितने किलोमीटर?
According to ARI, it is 312 kilometers
Per charge.
पर चार्ज.
per charge.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
You may ask something and then I'll. or rather, let me brief you. So this is the first time in history that the government has allotted these many vehicles to district administration. We are very grateful to our Revenue Minister, Madam, and to Secretary Revenue for taking up this matter and approving it and finally giving these vehicles. It is a good morale booster for the entire team of district administration, all the deputy collectors and mamledars who had a number of field works every day. Earlier they used to struggle for vehicles for small things, but now they will have dedicated vehicles and it will get reflected in the output of the office. So I take this opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Minister, our Honorable Revenue Minister, our Chief Secretary and Revenue Secretary for taking our matter on priority and giving us these vehicles. Thank you.